Jean Carla, yani ba ikaw sim kabubuton, aron pagbukos kanunay sim kaugalingon, dias pagigugmag pag-alagad sa imong bana.
Yes, Father.
Gerald, yani ba ikaw sim kabubuton, nabukos kanunay sim imong kaugalingon, dias pagigugmag pag-alagad sa imong asawa.
Yes, Father.
Karong adlaw si Gerald o si Jean Carla mudawat sa Krabitos Kaminyoon. Kaya ang Ginoo man kung nag-iusa ninyo nang way gahong sa tao nga makapabulag kaninyo.
My love, I'm loud and proud that you're the only one. Always remember that. Thank you for the years of patience, respect, and loyalty through the years. We cannot reach this far without that.
To my one and only love, Jean Carla Limbaga, you know that I'm the luckiest adin in the world. I'm so proud of you for being creative, compassionate, and genuinely good-hearted.
You will no longer have to find time and arrange schedules with me. From this day, you and I together.
And I give up forever to touch
I
you.
promise to love and cherish you no matter what life brings our way. I will be assuring to support your needs as the best provider, 100%.
Jean Carla, Miss Gerald, ganyan karon din dawaton ba mo siya ng imong bana sumala sa lagda sa atong inahan Santa Iglesia. Uyon ka ba ngayang asawa?
Oyot, Padre.
Dawaton mo ba siya ng imong bana?
Waton, Padre.
And sooner or later,
Your ups and
it's
downs,
over.
I'm always be there for you, my love. I love you so much.
I will be assuring. I will assure siguro na din.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want
Sylvia,
you to know who I am.
Welcome.
Take butang guys. Just guys. Sige lang.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming.
I hope you will continue to be the Aden that I know for years. And I am the Carla that you know for years, not Sugar Photo. Thank you, God, for this day, and I love
Yeah,
you.
you please just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause
Isulog kining singsing, timaan sa akong paghigugma, o pag-unong kanimo. Sa ngalang samahan, sa anak, o sa Espiritu Santo.
Geraldine, isulog kining singsing, timaan sa akong paghigugma, o pag-unong kanimo. Sa ngalang samahan, sa anak, o sa Espiritu Santo.
And I don't want the world to see